Hey family, Dad here. Hope you're having a great day. On this video, I just wanted to share why I have a 12-month emergency fund. Now, for most personal finance YouTubers and experts out there, they suggest a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. But for me, I feel more comfortable with a 12-month emergency fund. So to give you a little background, I'm a 48-year-old dad. I have 2 kids that are both in college. I'm a one-income family. I'm the breadwinner. I'm the only one in the house currently with my dog Lexi. And the main reason why I have a 12-month emergency fund is the fear and anxiety. I've been laid off 3 times. So just having that cushion of a 12-month emergency fund makes me feel more at ease, especially the first time when I got laid off. It was in October of 2009. That first time was truly scary. I had no emergency fund. Relied on unemployment and my severance. Luckily, I found a job 3 months later. But after that first layoff back in October 2009, it was really scary. And I was determined after that I would start building a good cushion of emergency fund. And then the next time I got laid off was in October 2015. It was, again, my second layoff. Wasn't as scary that time around. I had roughly about 4 to 6 month emergency fund. Did rely on unemployment, and I got a little severance out of that layoff back in 2015. Luckily, I found a job 3 months later in January 2016, and I was able to save a little bit of my severance as well. And then the last layoff I had was in December of 2022. Again, like I said, this was my third layoff. I wasn't scared at all. In fact, I was kind of relieved it happened. Just the stress and anxiety of the job. Luckily and fortunately, I had a robust emergency fund of 12 months and severance. And I was able to find a job a couple months later in February 2023. And pretty much I was able to save majority of my severance. Now, I'm very fortunate that I found a job so quickly. All of the jobs that I found after I got laid off was within 3 months. So I'm very fortunate that I was able to, be proactive and hustle to find a job. Now, along with a 12-month emergency fund, I'm also investing in retirement, a brokerage account, and HSA. So to recap, I have a 12-month emergency fund. You may be a little different. You may be a little more comfortable in having the kind of standard 3 to 6 month emergency fund. But for me, it's a little more sense of security and less anxiety. Tell me your thoughts. Leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel. Again, these are my perspectives and views. I'm not a certified professional. I'm just a dad. That's it. Stay safe, stay positive, and be happy. Love you, Dad.